I'm going to show you how to use the battery share option on your Google Pixel 8 or the 8 Pro, same with the 7 and 7 Pro as well. So basically, here's the 8 Pro or the Pixel 8 here. Basically, we turn on the battery share, we'll be able to charge other devices, and I'll show you what it can charge and what it can't charge. So first thing is to access it, the battery share, you just simply need to go to settings first, so we can just slide up and just go to settings, and then from here you want to go to battery. Okay, there's battery right there. Tap on battery, and then we're going to go ahead and scroll down, and you see battery share is currently off. All right, so let's tap on that, and toggling on or off is right there. Okay, also note down here, stop sharing battery when it reaches 10%, and you can read through this as well. Okay, so if I want to turn it on, I simply just go ahead and tap that right there. Okay, and I turn my phone over like that, and then here's an iPhone 15 here. Let's see if it charges. It does charge. One more other cool thing too is, you can go ahead and just plug this in. You can use the battery share. Even if you plug it in, this way you'll keep your battery juice on here, and then you can still go ahead and wirelessly charge as well. Okay. So the iPhone 15, no problem. Here's a Google Pixel 6 Pro, I think this is. You can see no problem. Here's the Google Pixel 8 Pro, and this one has a case on it as well. We'll pop that on there. Oops, it turned off by itself. Okay, battery share's back on. Google Pixel Pro. Pixel 8 Pro with a case on here. You can see that it charges. And you know what? Let me go ahead and let's go case to case, okay? Let me put a case on here. Okay, and make sure that it's on. Okay, it's on. Now, Pixel 8 Pro, both have cases on here, and it still charges. Okay, how about this is a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, I think, and it has a case on there as well. And you can see this charges too. All right. How about, okay, now here's the thing. If you have like a Samsung Galaxy Watch or one of the Apple watches, it's not going to work, okay? Because you need those chargers that has that like little kind of like round indentation, okay? So these watches are not going to work. How about some earbuds? Here's the Samsung Galaxy Buds here. Let's see if that charges. And you can see this one is charging. You get that red light that pops on. Let me do it again. You can see that little red light right there. So it's charging. Galaxy Buds. How about, what are these, AirPods here? You can see the light on right there. Here's another pair, and I think these are wireless compatible as well. AirPods, yep. How about the Google Pixel Buds Pro? This is the Pro version where it's wireless compatible as well. Oh, there we go. Just had it. Okay, there you go. And you can see the light on there is charging. Well, there you go. I'd hope that helps you guys out. Questions or issues, just comment below.